Today my guest is Dr. Jayashree. She's an eye specialist and I'm at her clinic in Mumbai. Welcome Dr. Jayashree.
Thank you, Dr. Malahar, for visiting at my clinic and taking my interview. Thank you so much for that.
Dr. Jayashree, recently you've organized an eye camp in your clinic in Kandivali. Can you let me know the details about it?
Generally, annually, I conduct a eye camp in the month of August only, but the dates are variable. In this annual camp, I generally keep free of cost everything, including eye checkup, medication, some test which is required for the eye, for like a glaucoma, cataract, to check a retina. We do a fundus photography also, who is required, and some laser treatment also with a minimum cost.
Okay.
So generally, most of the time we get almost 100 to 111 patients visited since we are doing this camp from 8 to 10 years actually. And in this, I generally prefer to give this facility to the low socioeconomic people.
Okay.
And I am very glad to serve them, actually speaking. And the thing is that they don't even have money for a normal treatment, a medication to take and put. So in this annual camp, we screen all the patients. Whichever treatment is required, we generally give everything free of cost.
Oh, that's wonderful.
And first of all, especially the people, old people, even now the peoples are very busy in their routine schedules and all those things. So in this camp, especially in this camp, they get an opportunity for a checkup because it is free of cost, and whole day it is we are conducting. So many people are visited, and in this case, if we found that the patients are having cataract, so with a very minimal charges, we operate cataract free of cost. Some people for free of cost, and there are some glaucoma patients. We do screening. Then there is a perimetry that is called as a visual field. That is actually a very costly test. General people cannot afford that test, actually speaking. So we do that, all the things free of cost here.
That's nice, very nice.
And in this camp, which we had conducted on 10th of this August, we got almost, there was 21 patient of a glaucoma, and there was literally 40 patients of a cataract, which is having a matured cataract and need to operate as early as possible. So we will be doing their investigations free of cost only, and when they will visit it, we will check their which lens power is required. We will operate them, and follow-up also will be done here only. And the patients who are suffering from glaucoma, we had screened out, we had given a treatment for them, and we will have a follow-up also, especially for because glaucoma is a silent disease. It lost the field from the periphery to the center. Complete loss of field, patient is not able to realize whether they are facing this kind of a problem.
Absolutely right.
Only when there is a very too much increased intraocular pressure. Intraocular means when there is a eye pressure in the eye, it increases, which creates there is a loss of cells. And whichever optic nerve is there, that get damaged. And that is not recoverable vision. With lost vision with the glaucoma, it is not recoverable. Other thing with the cataract, if there is a mature cataract, we can operate, we can put the lens, patient can get a vision. But in India nowadays, people are quite aware of this because of like how you people are taking interview, your
social media,
and people get awareness of this. So they try to, whether it is a free camp or whether it is, they try to approach the doctor and get visited and get the treatment for this. Now this recently we had a camp, so we had seen so many patients. Even there was one patient, she was a 94-year-old.
Oh wow, super.
She had visited our clinic, and she was very happy. She got such a pleasant treatment, and all the tests and everything was done here. She doesn't require to go anywhere for the small test also. The most of the things we provide, and so many NGOs also comes to visit us. Like sometimes Rotary Club also comes, they get attached to us,
Okay.
because we are doing that socially service for
Social
the
service,
people.
yes, yes.
Though we are doing only annually, once in an annual,
Okay.
but we do it in with full faith.
That is nice.
Yeah.
Superb, superb.
And the thing is that most of the people, especially who are not aware of this kind of a thing, like a diabetes, hypertension, they feel okay, they are on treatment, everything is going. But at the same time, how their retina means the back portion of your eye, that is called, some people call it as a parda. In that, what happened, because of the diabetes and hypertension, there is some seepage of a blood, there is some spots we can see on the retina. Because of that, there may be loss of vision,
Okay.
and that loss of vision we required at that time when there is a recent one, some laser treatment is required to avoid the further blindness. Because of the hemorrhages means there is a blood spot, sometimes blood drain is also seen in the eye.
Okay.
So we have to resolve that, and we have to give a proper treatment for that. So my request for all the people, actually for a general people also,
Okay.
ki at least once in a year you should have a checkup after the age of 40.
Yeah, it's very
To-
important. You're
Yeah,
right.
to rule out glaucoma. Is there any early stages of cataract? Is there any retina changes, like for hypertension, diabetes? And nowadays too, you will see the children's also facing too much of problem
Yes,
of the
you're right.
dryness.
Absolutely right.
Because they are lot of time on the screen.
Mobiles.
Screen
Mobiles,
also,
yes,
mobile
yes.
also, playing games
Correct.
and all these
Absolutely
things.
right, yeah.
The recent camp which we had conducted, now we have seen the small childrens also who had literally gone from moderate to severe condition of a dry eye.
That's because of the
And-
social media, mobiles and all that. They
Yeah,
they're
yeah,
full on.
Exactly.
ना पढ़ाई करते ना कुछ, they just on the mobile and
Yes, yes,
serial देखना, ये cartoon देखना. It's because of that.
Yeah,
maybe.
and the thing is, there, because of their reading or watching
Absolutely,
so
yes.
near for
Yes.
a long time, their number goes on increasing. Now you will see in a recent year, you will see there is an epidemic like myopia.
Oh.
Every child will have a glass, and means in a 100% you will see 80% of the children will have a glasses, because they are not
Absolutely
playing
right,
any
you're right.
outdoor games. That only I'm saying, the recent camp we had conducted, in that we have seen almost 14 patients who are having high number
Oh.
at the age of 4 years, 5 years.
That's too young. I mean.
Too young, so without glasses they are not able to visualize anything.
Okay, wow.
Just to some this, like how we are sitting,
Yes,
that much
yes,
is the
yes.
visibility, not more than that.
My God.
And because of the, I told you na, because of this socio-economic, this is okay, ho jayega, theek ho jayega, and all
Yes,
those
maybe
things.
because of
Yeah.
finances also.
Yeah, finances also. So they don't take their children to ophthalmologist actually. And visiting an ophthalmologist, they feel ki no, it will be too high. We don't know
In
what
fact,
the
it's
things
the
that
most
are-
important thing to do.
Yes.
You know, eyes are the
Yes.
most. People don't think about it. People don't know about it.
Correct.
That's a very important thing
Yes,
to get your eye checked every year.
Every year, means
Every year.
must,
Yes,
must.
yes.
You have to make a calendar, like annual your routine checkups and eye checkup.
Health का checkup करेंगे, eye का they will not do.
But that is very important.
Important,
See,
absolutely
if your
right.
eyes are there, they are
Yes,
doing very
yes.
well. So rest of things
You
you
can
do.
see.
And you know, eye is the mirror of your brain also.
Absolutely right.
If
I'm with you.
something
here.
is happening in your brain,
Ji.
you can visualize from your retina part, fundus.
Correct.
So all are coordinating. This your ear, nose, throat, and your brain.
Yes,
it is
yes.
all, whatever is happening, the eye is the reflection for that.
Absolutely
It's a
right,
window.
you're
You
right,
can see
yes.
it's a window.
Very important organ,
Yeah.
but people don't, value it. That's the
Yeah.
only thing.
But now people are getting
Yes,
awareness
maybe because of
it.
social media,
social
maybe
media.
because people talking about it,
Yes,
so that's why, yes.
And first of all, I feel ki parents should guide the children.
Yes,
In
that's
this
also
camp also,
important.
I made a small talk like this for 5 minutes. Ki how parents should first of all avoid themselves. to use mobile or laptop when you are having food, when you are chit chatting or watching movie or anything, when all are together.
Correct.
Don't watch mobiles. Make a habit.
Correct.
So that will also makes the child, oh, nobody is doing that, why I should do that?
And first, when mobiles were not there, what were they doing?
Yeah.
So that's what, na?
Yeah,
People,
yeah.
things are
Very,
so
very
fast and it's becoming so cosmo. Everything is becoming fast.
Yeah.
Kids are, becoming smarter.
Too smart,
Yeah.
too smart. And
So ऐसा है.
now I'm saying that in this camp, when I advise them, okay, you have to do these things, reduce your visual time. They are knowing all these things.
Yes, they know it. Correct.
We have to reduce the screen time. We have to play the outdoor games, and much of the time you should not see the mobile on the night times in a dim light. The same with the adults also. They are also facing this kind of a problem that is called as a dry eye syndrome.
Okay. Okay.
This thing is also now popping up like anything.
Okay.
And now the season
New gadgets are come, so
Yes.
new नई बीमारियां आ रही है. So that's the
this
thing.
is called as a computer. First of all, there was only computer. People used to say this is a computer eye syndrome. But now everything digital. So it affects for everything. So when I conducted this camp, I'm really very happy that I found so many people with so many different types of eye problems they are facing, and we treat for that.
Okay.
That too free of cost. We had dispensed the medication from here. Some companies had sponsored us for the camp actually.
Okay.
And we had supply that medicines to them. We had now operating some cataract patients also at the same time. Some people are going for a glaucoma treatment like a perimetry that is called as a visual field. Means there is means how much visualization is there, how much field loss is there. So accordingly then we treat. So this will require a medication, or they will require any surgical procedure for that.
Okay.
Or any laser kind of a treatment.
Okay.
So nowadays, I think for every person, people should go screening for cataract,
Absolutely
glaucoma, if they are facing the problem of diabetes or hypertension. Their retina checkup is must annually, at least annually. If they, and when they feel if there is a sudden loss of vision, so there are chances that some blood is spitting inside.
Oh.
So the thing is, they should immediately approach to an ophthalmologist and to get what is the exact cause for that. Sometimes you get a diplopia, like double vision. Recently, only yesterday we had one patient. Nothing was there actually, but there was a initial sign of a stroke.
Oh.
So we just done some kind of a test and we found it, and we referred that patient to the further treatment in a higher centers.
Okay. Okay.
So there are some patients. So whenever eye related problem, na patient should not neglect, should visit any nearby doctor.
Absolutely right. Yeah.
Because eye is such a
Very
organ,
important organ.
such a organ that it will show how your body is going on, ideally speaking.
Correct. Absolutely right.
And nowadays you have to take lot of care for your eyes because of the digitalization. There is so many problems. People are stressful. There are sometimes unknowingly there is so much of intraocular pressure, means the eye is pressurized, but they are not bothered to go and check. Then that glaucoma go on increasing. Ultimately they get so much of optic nerve damage.
Correct.
And then they approach, and that time we cannot do anything. We are also helpless.
Yes.
At least when if they come early, whatever losses happens. But in future,
You
if
can
further,
control it, no?
we can control this problem, actually speaking. So my suggestion is ki who are having like diabetes, hypertension, stress related factor, at least once in a year you can go and visit it to any ophthalmologist for and further checkup. I recommend even you can take a children's also for an eye checkup.
Okay.
Annually, if they are having any refractive errors like myopia, hypermetropia. If there is a hypermetropia, means plus power is there. If you don't treat within the age of 8 years, then their eye become lazy eye. That also creates a problem for the future.
Okay.
So that's why everyone is required eye checkup for an annual checkup, at least annual. I don't say okay they should visit every monthly or 6 monthly, at least annually, to rule out the things whatever they are facing. If it is normal, it's well and good. But if any problem is there, so it will treat as early as possible.
Oh wow, we've got to know so much. I
Yeah.
think I've also not got my eye checked, so I think I'll do it.
Yeah, you have to.
Dr. Jayashree, can you tell me what is cataract?
Yes, Dr. Malan. Cataract is what we are having now, clear lens. It will be like this. This is the clear lens. But this lens, after the age like 40, 50, it is called as a senile cataract. So this lens becomes foggy. So the rays is not passing into the eye. So there will be having a blur vision. The patient will see blur things. And there are some types of cataracts are there. In old age, that is called as a senile cataract. Means most of the after the age of 40, most of the people get cataract. It's like how your hair gets gray. That same way, this lens, crystalline lens, get gray, and we too need to operate that, and we have to implant some artificial lens. By operating now, there is so many techniques are there. Laser techniques are there. One is the phacoemulsification techniques are there. In some rural area, thus giving an incision and removing that cataract and putting an artificial lens to get a clear vision. This is the cataract. And in some children also, that is called as a congenital cataract. So for children, we required some special setup for that. And even for them also, after removing cataract, we are putting the artificial lens to avoid blindness.
Okay, Dr. Jayashree, what is glaucoma? What are the symptoms and causes of it?
See, glaucoma is a condition in which there is a rise in the intraocular pressure. Intraocular pressure means आँख का प्रेशर बढ़ जाता है. बट उसमें भी दो टाइप होते हैं. भले आँख का प्रेशर नॉर्मल भी हो, लेकिन वो जो पीछे वाला ऑप्टिक नर्व होता है, द ऑप्टिक नर्व बिहाइंड द आई, देयर आर शोइंग सम साइंस ऑफ अ प्रेशर. Because of their pressure, there is a loss of visual field, and it is a silent killer. Slowly it reduces your field. Patient is literally unaware of this until and unless they go for a checkup, and leads to blindness that is irreversible. Okay. In this case, there are two types. Sometimes there is open, generally after the age of 50, 60, we found that there is a open angle glaucoma. Open angle means that angles are open, but the pressure in the eye creates damage to the optic nerve. And another way is that there is a closure angle. Closure angle, there is a means whichever the fluid in the eye, we have to move on all the time. It gets stuck up somewhere and create a eye pressure. And the third one, you will see in the children also, because of some anomalies or anything like that, there is a rise in the pressure. Even in childhood, that is called as a congenital glaucoma. And the earliest the treatment, less is the field loss, we can stop the blindness further. But whatever is happened is happened. So it is required to have a regular checkup for that.
What is diabetic retinopathy?
Diabetic retinopathy is when the patients who are having an uncontrolled diabetes, so we can see some leakage. Leakage means blood seepage in your retina, and whichever the focus area is called as a macula, if you get a swelling over there and the leakage, that may lead to blindness because of that. And if the diabetes is too much of uncontrolled, there are chances because of the seepage you may get a intravitreal. Intravitreal means the cavity is there in the eye, you get a bleeding into it. So there may be chances that patient may go to blind. So whosoever having a diabetes should have a regular eye checkup every 6 monthly. Rule out any diabetic retinopathy is there, any problem on the retina.
What is hypertensive retinopathy?
See, hypertensive retinopathy is like when there is a uncontrolled blood pressure, like blood pressure is excess, like 150, 110, 100 or something. In that case, what happened? There is a constrictions of vessel. Because of the blockage of vessel, there is a expanding and rupture of vessel happen on the retina. And it includes the retina, sometimes in a macular region, means where there is a vision quality is very good, even we can see some spots of because of that on the retina. That may lead to loss of vision also, and patient may lead to blindness. And hypertensive retinopathy is the reflection, means how your blood pressure is there. There are stages like 1, 2, 3, 4 stages are there. In that way it is, if there is a swelling, you can see on the optic nerve, that is the last stage of the hypertension, means your brain is also affected because of that hypertension. So you have to immediately consult to ophthalmologist as well as to the physician.
Okay, Dr. Jayashree, my last question is that what is dry eyes?
This is really a wonderful question you had asked me, because nowadays everyone is facing this problem.
Actually, that's why I asked you.
Yeah, because lot of screen time is going on. Even children's, even aged peoples also, who is that they are go on watching the reels, mobile and everything. Because of that, what happens? Their posture get affected. Other thing is that they don't blink much. So their eyes, whatever tear film is there, it get evaporated.
Okay.
And you get a fine spots on your cornea. So there will be a blur vision.
Oh.
And there is a loss of some cells also because of the dryness. So whosoever having a dryness issue actually should increase the blinking rate. There is some artificial tears also, we have to put it that. And most important that they have to reduce their screen time. Screen time should be reduced. Whenever it is required, it is required. I understand. Now the scenario is all digital.
Yes, yes, of course.
So it is a must. So in that, how you can give protection to yourself? You have to take put a anti-glare glasses.
Okay.
Anti-glare, acts, but it's 50%. Not you can. You cannot rely completely. People say, "Oh, I wore anti-glare, so there won't be any kind of a problem." But it is not like that. It's just 50% protection is there.
I've heard specs have also come anti-glare.
But that is only 50%.
Acha.
So the main thing is you have to reduce the screen time.
Okay.
Take a intermediate breaks. Purposefully blink your eyes. So there should be a lubrication. Your eye should remain wet. There should not be any dry spots in the eye.
Okay.
You have to put some artificial eye drops also available. We have to put it. Now the children, adults, old age, everybody is required this kind of a treatment. Now the people will face in future also, when the screen time will go on increasing, this problem is going on increasing. So,
New gadgets, new problems. It's like that.
yeah, absolutely. So from initially only you have to take precautions, like make a good posture, take a frequent break, look far off. There is a some 20-20 rule. Means if you are watching that for 20 minutes, take a break from after 20 minutes, watch 20 feet far off, make a blinking 20 times.
Okay.
There's some rules are there. You have to follow that. So to some extent, we can avoid this kind of a problem.
Thank you so much, Dr. Jayashree, for giving us your time and letting us know so much about eye problems, how we can protect our eyes. I'm sure viewers must have also, there are so many things which they did not know, like what is glaucoma, what is cataract. I'm sure after what you've said, after you've given so much of information, they've also got a lot of information, and I'm sure all of us, in fact even me, I'll also do one eye checkup every year. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Malahat, for giving me opportunity to guide the people actually on this podcast. And special thanks to IBP News, who had given me opportunity to speak eye-related problems. So the general public will know this, and you people came all the way to Kandivali at my clinic. Thank you so much for that.